We have a student takes 2 ml acetic acid, means that CH3COOH in a dry test tube and adds a pinch of sodium hydrogen carbonate, means NaHCO3. So this will after reaction will give us CH3COONA plus H2O plus CO2. This is our required reaction. Which are the observation which is correct according to this question? A colorless and odorless gas will be evolves with a Briggs effervescence. So this CO2 gas is colorless and also odorless. So this will give and also gives a brisk effervescence. So option 1 is correct. The gas turns lime water milky, as we know that when lime water means CaOH whole twice reacts with carbon dioxide will give us CaCO3, which is white PPT, and plus H2O. So this is the second option is also correct. The gas once with an explosion when burning, you know, when a burning splinter is about near it, but the CO2 is a what, fire extinguisher. So third option is not correct. Fourth option is the gas extinguishes the burning splinter which is about near it, as carbon dioxide is a fire extinguisher. So fourth option is also correct. So our required answer is first, second and fourth. In option D, these three are given. So our required answer is option D. Stop कर दे.